dog.
We're gonna make a video about dogs.
Woo! Dogs.
It's not at your face. There you go.
Dogs.
This is my fridge.
There's some salsa. There's some Sam.
Whoa! Peanut butter.
Peanut butter jelly time! Yep, okay.
Oh! This is a lemon. It has a sticker on it.
We should make lemonade.
Bam.
Whoa, lemonade!
I totally just squeezed that lemon and made
A jar.
pink lemonade.
Maybe you have food coloring in your fridge.
I do. That's a good one. Okay. I'm gonna use that. I think I have,
Oh no. Okay.
ice cream.
Little chickens. Ooh, ice cream. I like ice cream. Maybe I won't make this one on YouTube.
You shouldn't make the other one on YouTube either.
Right. Okay.
You better not.
Mhm.
Just make a really long name so nobody else.
I know, my name's Monica Chatrose.
I'm not looking at your video.
I have two. A lonely tulip. And a
Its love
sad.
has died.
Its love has died, she says. With yourself.
It's not with myself.
Okie dokie, artichoke.
There's
Use our
Monica,
hands.
did you eat it?
Yes, how did you know?
Monica ate the ice cream scooper and now we can't get any ice cream. Do you want any?
Yes, of course I want ice cream. What's that even a question?
Do you want a small spoon or a big spoon?
I want a really, really large spoon to go spooning for ice cream with.
Do you want one with a really, really long?
Yes, I want this one. Look at my spoon, guys.
Look at my spoon. It's totally lame.
My spoon's cool, her spoon's lame.